Hello everybody, how are you guys doing? What is happening? We are backstage at Hamstar rehearsals and we're going to start getting ready in a bit. So I thought while I was free I would come and talk to you guys. What's up? Backstage, Mariam, like, please take my name. Faiza Khan. Hi, Faiza Khan. B Ali, hey, B Ali. Zarnish, hi. Hi, Fariha. Yes, I have to brush my hair, fix my hair. Asma, hi. I am eating a gum. Hey, how are you doing? I'm good, Ikra. How are you? Mehdi Khan, hi. Can you please sing a song for me? I have a very bad voice. Shahriyar Maria, you starting famous now. I can see a little proudy. Is it? No. There's nothing proudy. What is wrong with you? Hello, hi. It's me, Hassan, who interviewed you from Apples. How are you? I'm good, Mona. Sort official here. Roshan here. Love from Lahore. Thank you, Roshan. Hi guys. Hi from Saudi Arabia. Say my daughter name, Eliza. Hi, Eliza. Hope you're well. Please say hi to me. Hi, Vania Jamil. Hi, Reba. क्या हो रहा है? Good morning, guys. Thank you, Mavish. बहुत शुक्रिया. Hello, Sobia Hussain. Okay guys, I am going to head out. I just wanted to say hi to you before I leave, and I'm going to be hosting the Hum Style Awards tonight. Just kind of nervous. I just came online to talk to you guys. You're like my online family. Take care of yourself. I'll see you guys soon. Take care. Bye bye.